Big old windmill. So big. Look. We hanging out here. Look where we're close to. Ocean Beach. We're gonna wait for the girls to wake up so we can go play, go get us some sand crab. But this is where we're hanging out right here. Today. It's a good day. Good, beautiful day. Man, look at that, massive. That's where we're chilling at. On the other side, you see the beach on the other side. I guess it's a tunnel, walkway or something. Gonna explore that, but you can't get no better than this, man. Where the valley's over 110, come out here and chill out for a couple days. You know, I do that once a year now so far. But this is the famous windmill. You check out the bisons around this area, and man, not a bad view. Later on we're gonna do some kind of sand crabbing or something. So we'll see what we could do. Until then, we're just going. Am I sleeping? Let's go check this one out. Hanging out, just picnicking. Why not? I don't think you can get up there. Shoot, that's all copper up there. It's a beautiful park. Stretching out, killing time. You know? Why not? What is else to do? Hello. Yeah, what else to do? Let's walk around real fast. You guys get to see this with me. Since most of you guys not here, and some of you guys are sleeping in the car. Let's do the tour for you guys. Beautiful flowers. And then run up the bushes. See what's going on the other side. Man, look at this big old. Used to be like anchor or something. You can see way up there. I'm right underneath it. Okay, that's all for this video.